Hello, my name is Mia, and today I'm going to show you how you can program a microbit to turn on and off LEDs. This is the hardware part of the microbit. This is the microbit, and I have connected it using a conductive thread because I'm working with the microbit in relation to clothing. And I've sewn this microbit into my T-towel by using conductive thread to make an orbit. In my orbit I have my two LEDs out here, and now I'm going to show you how I program my microbit to turn my LEDs off and on. On the microbit.org website you can enter the section make a code. And this program called JavaScript Blocks Editor is a very visual way to connect elements of your code by using building blocks. So I want my microbit to turn on the LEDs when I push the A button, and I want them to turn off when I push the B button. So I start by finding these two top layers of my code. Then as you remember, my LEDs are connected to this entrance called 0, and hence the pins, as they are called when they are pinned into this, are called P0. So I'm going to, in the pins section, I'm going to ask my microbit to digital write to pin 0. That means my LEDs. And I'm going to tell it to turn on, that's a 1, when I push the A button, and turn off when I push the B button. The most complex thing in this whole programming world, which I'm not very familiar with, is the whole arbitrary way of thinking with the numbers, where we always only have the number 1 and the number 0. And I find that tricky when you get into a more complex code. Every time you've made a code over here, you can test it on this little image of your microbit. So I'm going to see what happens when I push the A button. I can see that it turns on down here. And when I push my B button, it turns off. So it should be working for my microbit. Then I'm going to download it. And I'm going to just simply pull it into my microbit here and wait for it to download. Now I'm going to show you how it works. I am going to push the A button and it turns on, and the B button and it turns off. Thank you for watching, and bye.